What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. This video is another first retwist on starter locks. I also threw in a style, so definitely stay tuned until the end to see exactly how I did that. Here's my client's freshly washed hair. This time I didn't include the shampoo, but let me know if y'all like to see that as well, and I'll include it next time. So yeah, here's my client's freshly washed hair. I'm just going in with the whipped butter that I love to moisturize her hair. Just like the last video, I will not be sharing any specific products in here, but definitely stay tuned to my channel and subscribe so that as soon as I drop a video explaining all of my favorite products, you'll be the first to know. So here, just established my first part, and I'm going in and cleaning up each lock. Now, if you watched my last video, and definitely go check that out, you'll notice in this video, I'm doing a lot less of the wrapping technique that I used in that video. This is mainly because this particular client got a style the last time when she got her starter locks, and the client in the last video did not. So the client in the last video, because she didn't get a style, she had a lot more frizz that needed to be placed back onto the lock, and so you saw me doing a lot of the wrapping method. I will do it a little bit here, but definitely not as much. Getting a style definitely helped her to reduce the amount of frizz that she experienced. So the reason you see me kind of using double the clip on each one is really to stretch the hair out and to keep it taut at the root. And this just helps it to give a cleaner look and to keep it pinned down as it dries. So you may notice the third lock from the left on this row has unraveled quite a bit. I believe it might be because she has different textures all over her head and it just kind of came out. Because there is just a little bit of tangling in there, I'm not going to take it out and retwist it. I'm really just going to use my comb to do a coil, and you'll see that very soon. Because it's in the middle of her head, there will be no problem with like noticing that it's a coil as opposed to the others being twists. They typically end up looking the same anyway. So yeah, just going through and cleaning up these parts. Y'all know I am a stickler for that. Well, you're beginning to learn and you will see that I'm a stickler for parts. And so I take my time with my rat tail comb and go in and clean up these parts. Just enjoy the next few clips of me retwisting. I'll pop back in a little later.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up my mountain until you reach my feet, babe.
This is 1 month. Yep. Well, on your way. They're gonna be really pretty as you go out too. Can't wait. I'm excited. So I really wanted to show you all my favorite starter lock style, the barrel twist. Now, there are so many different ways that you can style the barrel twist, whether it's going straight back or going up into different ponytails. Literally, the options are endless, but I do love the barrel twist because it holds locks in place and keeps them together literally until the client comes back. If they want to keep it in for 4 weeks, they can. So here you just want to start with the first two in the front, kind of cross them over each other, and then alternating from side to side, wrap the lock around the braid you're making. I hope it makes sense based on the video and how I just explained it. But yes, you're taking one from each side and wrapping it around. For shorter locks, you want to make sure that you wrap all the way down to the end so that your client doesn't have any issues with the style unraveling. Keep twisting all the way down to the end, and of course secure it with a rubber band, and they're all good. So I gave her 4 of them, as you'll see in the final clip, and she actually got the same style last time, so this one is definitely a fan favorite. And again, in this clip right here, just wanted to show you again the technique, which is taking taking one lock from one side, wrapping it all the way around and down, and then one from the other side. I have one client who gets barrel twists every single time. He's about 11 months in. He's been getting barrel twists almost every single time, and his hair was locked at about month 4 because he had barrel twists consistent. So here's the final result. She got 4 barrel twists going straight back. It's all neat and secure for the next 4 weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.